use the lift at Hypercentre, also known as 50 to 56 Sanders Street in Upper Mount Gravatt.
Going up.
Nice R9s that look like R7s. No, this is a good lift. Not the shitty 3300s they have across the road, which are terrible. If so many 3300s around here, seriously, it's ridiculous.
6th floor. Going down.
Watch how fast this is compared to the crappy 3300s. What? Jolt. 1,000 including on 13 persons. Basement, level 3.
Basement 3.
Oh.
Going up.
Yeah, that's a creepy car park I've ever seen on myself. Ground floor.
Ground floor.
Wobbly walls.
1st floor.
Very high pitched.
Going down.
One floor journey.
Ground floor.